What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today it's a simple video. We're just going to be cleaning and packing up the AquaGlide Expedition 85, just showing you how dirty it can kind of get during a day's worth of fishing and kayaking around. So yeah, I'll show you how it goes. All right, next up is accessorizing it. The one accessory that I like to use a lot is this one right here, my pliers, and they also have my cutters. With these two accessories, I can just put it back in its slot and I have access to it. I have it anchored here in case it flips over. My other accessory is my GoPro mount. It's got a little leveler. I flip it the other way to film me. And then here's the seat. Here's how you fill up the bottom and the top through this valve right here. I'll show you guys right now. It's a little dirty, so we're gonna clean that out real quick. And it had quite a bit of dirt on there. Okay. And then you just twist this cap while you're holding your breath, and 2 breaths is good enough. 2 seconds. Same with this side. You got this little twist cap that you screw on and it tightens it. You blow through here and it's open valve. So here we go. And that's it. The paddles I use are these Werner paddles. I got these a long time ago with my original kayak. And you sit right here, right in the back. Although lately I've kind of been wanting to switch it around, actually. I mean, I do like the configuration of how I have it, where I sit back here, right, and then the front is right there. But what would happen if I just switched it around? Oh, well, hold on, because the skeg goes, yeah, the skeg goes back here. So I think you want the skeg always in the back. That's why they're always in the back and never in the front. So I think it's just a design thing that you should just always sit right here. Whoops, wrong way. And so the bottom of this is Velcro, and that's how you know that's the bottom right there, because it'll Velcro onto there. So you can adjust where you want to sit based off of that. Oh, and then we have the bottom area that you air up as well. I don't think I'm gonna air that up, partially because I'm just cleaning her up today. I just wanted to show you guys that it only took less than 3 minutes to air this up. I just did a quick time lapse to save you guys a couple minutes, but yeah, it took under 3 minutes, about 2.5 to fill up the outside. The floor would be like another, I don't know, minute, less than a minute. And then the seat was like 2 breaths on each one, so 30 seconds. I'd say about comfortably under 8 minutes on a manual foot pump. I have a little electric pump. I would advise to take that instead, depending on how limited you are, because like that thing probably weighs more than the foot pump, but the foot pump is obviously larger than the little handheld electric unit. The foot pump would be better if you're on a multi-day excursion, and the electric one would be better if you were just for the day and you're going home. To give you guys some context, like I wouldn't carry the electric one if I was hiking on a multiple day trip. I'd disconnect the hose and put those 2 pieces in my pack. That would be an essential piece of using this. If you didn't have that and you had the electric one, you'd have to rely on a source to charge it back up. And if you're hiking, you're obviously not carrying a power station with you of that caliber, so that makes more sense. And then as far as accessorizing, you could probably get those glue-on pieces. Like, I'm trying to get myself the RC thruster spot lock system, but I'm figuring out that I don't have the anchor points to add that system. The one that's on their website, that Packraft, it has anchor points right here and here, and then another one I believe here. So it's 3 anchor points, and the whole unit weighs like 3 pounds, not including the battery. And the battery would just go right, probably like right here, and I'd place the seat a little bit more further along, like around there, so I could have room for the battery, because I do have actual foot room when I'm in there. I'll just show you guys. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, I still have quite a bit of room. So if I were to have a battery system back there, I could probably push this up a little bit and still be pretty comfortable. And so yeah, all my accessories are right here. GoPro films me, or the environment there. My pack is usually right here connected to there, so I have access to all my tackle. And the only thing that would be better for this system is a little trolling motor, and you're set to handle all kinds of waves. And yeah, this thing doesn't weigh anything at all. So this attaches onto here, and this strap attaches onto here, and you can adjust where you want this to be in terms of if you want to just sleep or if you're actively fishing. But yeah, I'll show you real quick. Yeah, we're going to show you guys the build breakdown, and we're going to try and fit it into the backpack. All right, now that we got her all cleaned up, we're going to break it down, fit it in the backpack. So stay tuned. There's the seat. Take off my accessories. Normally you take this valve off, the whole thing, but there's no air in there. But well, you know what, there might be a little bit trapped in there. I'll take it out, keep it unplugged, come over down here, unplug the main one. Then you want to roll it on this side. pretty effortlessly to do. I'll put the cap back on right here. Just the floor cap, so it don't really matter. You know what? We'll take off the thing that's in there. The back seat. Let's try it again. Strap this to the side right here. I'd have to roll this up first. Yeah, I could probably strap it right there or roll it up. I could tie this onto here. Put the pump somewhere and attach it with a carabiner, and I'll be on my way. And that's it. Doesn't take that long to put it in the bag and have it ready for a Packraft trip. If you guys like the video, subscribe for more content. See you next time.